like to learn how to change colors when knitting? If you do, come watch this video so we can learn together. Okay, so it's pretty easy. All we're gonna do is this. We're gonna stick our needle in like we're gonna knit the stitch. Then we're gonna take the new color that we wanna add on and make a loop and just stick it over top and knit it through. And so then we're gonna continue knitting down the row like normal with the new color attached. Under the fence, catch the sheep, back we come, off we leap. Now you can see that that is showing up in our new knitting. And this is a new row, it's a new color. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to cut the previous color that we were using. And I always like to tie a knot of the two ends together. That way we make sure that each color stays put where it is and it doesn't come unraveled. So I just do a double knot like that and then pull it tight. Later, when we finish this, we'll use a yarn needle to go in and thread this in to the other rows. Okay, so you can see now, here we go. And now you just continue knitting with your new color. And whenever you want to change colors, you just repeat the same process. Y ahora estás listo con tu color nuevo. Y puedes cambiar colores cuando quieras. Esta es la manera más sencilla de conectar los hilos. Continue knitting with that color until you reach your desired length. This is great for knitting scarves and bags and things of that sort. Check out the rest of our knitting videos and subscribe for more. Thanks!